You're losing pipeline to unpracticed conversations, not competitors. It's a curve on the learning graph you never captured. We track dials, demos, deals. Practice? Silence. That's the gap. We've always role-played, so what actually changes with AI? From one-and-done drills to on-demand practice. From delayed subjective notes to instant, specific scoring. From scripted scenes to adaptive personas built from your real deals. From public performance to judgment-free practice. From no record to trend lines you can tie to revenue. AI role-play is an instrumented practice layer, a flight simulator for customer conversations. Logged, repeatable, safe to fail. You should see signals like shorter ramp times, managers reclaiming hours, fewer "I'll get back to you" moments, and a dashboard that links practice to performance. AI role-play isn't cute training tech. It's the best way to prove enablement moves revenue. Assessing solutions? Does it mirror our real personas and objections? Is feedback immediate and actionable? Can we see patterns across teams, not just isolated scores? For example, GTM Buddy pulls in your content in deal context, so practice mirrors reality, not scripts. But the shift that matters is measuring practice. Stop hoping reps figure it out live. Make practice real. Make it measurable.